This is how I created this 3D product visualization without using a 3D software. First, I got my product, then made a simple setup like this. Then I use a camera to film it. You can use any type of camera at your disposal. Then I imported the clips into After Effects, trim it, and then use warp stabilizer to stabilize the footage. If you have a gimbal, you may not need to do this at all. Then I re-exported it so that I will keep things fast. I imported it back into After Effects, then used the rotoscope to separate the product from the background. If you want to know how to use the roto brush in After Effects, you can watch this tutorial on my channel. After rotoscoping, I then export it again with a transparent background so that I can keep things fast. Otherwise, you need to have a beast of a machine to handle a rotoscope and then the visualization all together. Then I added a CC Mr. Mercury, then move it up a bit and then play around with some settings, and I came up with this. You can give it your own time to create something even more amazing. Then I add my own motion background. You can find a video showing you how I created this amazing motion background right here in my channel. Then I added some simple motion graphics, do color correction on the product, and then exported the final animation. You can check the link in the description to find a pre-made motion graphics plugin that I have been using lately. Then I boot up Premiere Pro, started a new project, imported my exported footages from After Effects into Premiere Pro. Then I arranged them, add a sound, then I did some speed ramping on the footage. If you want to know how to do some speed ramping in After Effects or even Premiere Pro, you can also find a video in my channel. In a couple of steps, I have my product visualized without using a 3D software. Let's continue the conversation in the comments. Let me know what you think about this method of visualizing a product, and let me also see what you are able to create after watching these tutorials. Until I meet you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru from Motion Digit Studios.